Hello lovies, grace and peace everybody. Welcome and welcome again. My name is Miss Masao and thank you so much for clicking into this video. Now today we are going to be making our stir fry beef mixed with some onions. It's just one of those great beef mixture. Now please watch the video from the beginning to the end and do not forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. It's absolutely free. And before we get into the video, the verse of the day comes from Isaiah 43:19 and it says, "Behold, I'm doing a new thing, now it springs forth. Do you not perceive it? I will make a way in the wilderness and rivers in the desert, says the Lord." I hope you will be blessed with the verse of the day, and all the list of the ingredients will be listed down below in the description box. Please make sure you watch it before you get into the video. So let's get straight into it. The first thing that you're going to be doing is you're going to, into your pan or your wok, you're going to be adding enough cooking oil. Then you're going to be adding your boiled beef. Once you're done adding in all the boiled beef, you're going to be stirring it around and then leave it to fry for at least 2 to 3 minutes before you add in your next ingredient. Then you'll go ahead and add in your onions, lots and lots of onions. As I said before, all the ingredients, I'll list them in the description box below. Be sure to check it before you start making this beef stir fry. Then you're going to be mixing your onions with your beef and let them fry, or at least wilt down for at least 3 to 2 minutes. Then we'll add in our spices. For the spices, I added some paprika, black pepper and some cumin powder just for taste. And then I'll go ahead and stir everything around and add in my ginger and garlic herb paste, 1 teaspoon. And then I'll let it fry at this point for at least 5 to 6 minutes and let all the spices cook well and nice. And at this point, make sure that your heat is low so that your spices do not burn. I will then go ahead and add in my lemon juice. I would say it's approximately 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. And then I'll add in my soy sauce and oyster sauce. And then I'm going to be mixing everything around. I'll stir everything for at least 3 to 5 minutes. And then I'll go ahead and add in my salt. And at that point, my beef stir fry is going to be ready. At this point, your beef stir fry, it is ready. This beef stir fry, it is the best. It's chef's kiss. We had ours with some plantains and some chips. It was delicious, and salad. Please go and try and make this beef stir fry. It does not take long, approximately 20 minutes, and I'm sure you're going to enjoy it, you and your family. Thank you so much, lovies. Do not forget to like, comment and share, and please do not forget subscribing to this channel. Also follow me on Instagram. I use the same name, Miss Masao. See you next time, lovies. Bye bye.